Hello. Good morning. What is your name? My is Troy. How old are you? I am 4. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. Where do you live? I live in Okay, now let us have the phonics 1 speaking test for Unit 8. Letter W. Sounds What is it? Wolf. Web. Water. What is it? Watch. Letter X. Sounds What's this? Fox. What's this? Box. What's this? Number 6. Wax. Letter Y. Sounds yak. What is it? Yogurt. Yacht. Letter Z. Sounds Z. What is it? Zipper. Zero. Zoo. Zebra. Okay. Good job, Troy. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.